Hi, this is Amir Anzur. It's the 3rd of October, Saturday, 2020, and we are with Sajjad and Adnan. Basically, we are having our daily catch up, and this is a reality TV show that we wanted to create that shows the behind the scenes of a startup. And what we're creating is the Institute of Wealth and Technology. Sajjad is going to be our CTO, Chief Technology Officer. So he has a lot of good experience in technology and building these apps. So he's going to be focusing on the website element. And then Adnan is an intern that's going to be working on the graphic design. So I will work with him to see how we can improve the graphics of this thing. Now, Sajjad, what's the update from your side? Sajjad, can you unmute yourself?
Okay, sir. So today, sir, I integrate the backend template and set up the rule and permission modules
Okay.
on the backend and separate the three modules like student, instructor, and admin.
Okay.
So I just integrate the backend template and do the authentication, rule permission, and then we will just start some CRUD, and I will push this repo to GitHub as there was with the new version of Laravel there was some missing thing, and as they are breaking change, due to which uh, I changed something in the repo, and I will update it now in the GitHub.
Okay. Perfect. And also, I think you're guiding Sayed Amir to study some things for you, right? Uh,
Yeah, I just said to him as and the Laravel, if we have to work with us in this project, then he will have to must learn Laravel.
yes.
Otherwise, there is no the core PHP work here.
Okay. Yeah, I think he'll be able to learn it in a week or so. He'll
Yeah,
be
yeah.
done. And that will be good. And also, what I want him to be is one of our instructors. So then we can go through it. And same with you. You should be our instructor as well. So the first few instructors, Adnan, maybe you could be also an instructor on teaching on Photoshop. Can you teach on Photoshop, Adnan?
What I think will be best for the company is Adobe Illustrator, as
Okay.
it's a little bit more, versatile. You can do a lot of things besides Photoshop.
So what you can do is you can create a course on Illustrator, and you can do that one. I want to try out to see what the market will be like in Urdu. Um,
So you want me to upload the videos in Urdu, right?
yeah. They will have. There will be a feature like they can watch some of your videos, right? You can do a couple of things. One is upload your own videos. Second is upload other people's videos that you find on YouTube that are good, right? Because the thing is, the problem that we are saying is, if you search yourself on
It
YouTube,
will have some issues regarding copyright.
no,
I
you're
can't
not,
really upload all of them
no,
without their permission.
you're not uploading them. You're just putting the link to them. Because what we are saying is that we as instructors are saving people time. Yes. So what they, if they go on YouTube to learn Illustrator, there will be there'll be 8 bad videos and 2 good videos, right? And you will be able to put the 2 good videos inside your academy as well.
Okay, okay.
Does that make sense? So that you have a good place that anyone that wants to learn about Illustrator, in especially in Urdu, can learn it in your academy, right? And you have your own section of it. And Sajjad, eventually you will do the same, but not for now because I think you're busy with IELTS and all this stuff. And once we start getting, I want a few instructors on the thing, so then we can start to see what is happening. But if you have time, you become an instructor as well. Think about what course you would teach. Yeah, and
Okay, sir. Okay.
think about doing it in Pashto, English, and Urdu, and they will be three different pricing. We can see if we get people signing up in Pashto, because I think even if we charge 1,000 rupees, people can afford it, right? And they get a certificate from IWT in London.
Okay, sir. One question, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
The question is that what will be the source of video you will have to share from the YouTube, or you will have just to upload to like AWS?
I think initially we should just upload to YouTube and make it a private video, or to Vimeo. Vimeo is the
Okay.
other site. You create an account on Vimeo and do it, Vimeo or YouTube. So I have a course, for instance, that I've done on, and then I put it all on Vimeo. Because the problem with putting it on AWS, we can do it eventually, but it gets expensive. Then we have a lot more headache to deal with.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it will become expensive. So we can do.
So you just want us to upload it on YouTube, right?
Yeah, just upload it on YouTube, I think, and make it private. And then well, you can even make it public for now. And then let's and you can say that you're instructor on IWT. Yeah. So then
Okay, sir.
uh, so then eventually we can do it like long term. I don't know if we will, but long term we could go to AWS and then up host our own videos. But for now, I think YouTube is good enough.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So any other updates from your side, Sajjad?
Mm, just nothing more, sir. But I will just update that report if it helps, and then I will do some front end site integration,
Yeah.
and then on the Monday we will just start on the back end work.
Okay, perfect. And also, I'm looking to hire potentially more people. So keep one eye open for good developers and good Android, iOS, mobile developers, and mobile, and then
Okay, sir.
this thing. Because
Oh,
you see, one of the things that we will do is once our website is built, we will say that look, this is like what the things that we can build are, and then we can get more projects and say to people, look, we've built IWT, you can see it, this is our demo, and if you want more projects, bring them to us, and then we can get more clients that way.
okay, sir.
Yeah, but just be aware, like keep an eye out for good developers that you would be happy to work with and bring onto our team, junior and senior.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just be aware on that. Adnan, anything from your side?
I actually have started working regarding IWT. The main thing I noticed were the colors, like the oranges and the white. So everything that I'm gonna try to make or I should make, that will be in orange, red, or white. They are the three main colors.
No,
Maybe a
not
little bit of
orange.
blue won't really be bad.
No, not orange. Red, blue, and red, blue, white. And look at the British
Yeah,
flag, and the British flag and the American flag, and those colors. Because,
yeah,
like, if we were making a Pakistani site, we would use green because certainly people
yeah,
like green.
yeah,
But
yeah.
in red, British flag and American flag. Um,
You know the issue is that sometimes you don't really have to use the red color all the time. You just have to use the red and decrease its brightness and saturation.
Yeah.
and stuff like that. So
Okay.
that will help you to get more colors and be more creative regarding your design.
Okay. I mean, I leave it to you. I'm flexible. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then
Yeah.
over time we'll get better. But just become an
Yes.
instructor and watch other people what they say and what they sell. And then you get. Do you speak Punjabi as well?
Yeah, yeah, I do speak Punjabi.
So like let's try for you to create a course in 4 languages. You don't have to make the YouTube videos in all them, but basically let's try one course in Punjabi. And then if we start
Okay.
getting more students that want to study in Punjabi, then we know that we will create more content for them, right? And I really
Okay.
believe that, you know, I think a lot of our students are going to come from Urdu speaking or Pashto speaking or Punjabi speaking people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I mean, in the beginning, but
Okay.
afterwards we will go for English as well. But you know,
Okay.
and I think, but the English
So right
prices,
now,
they might be
uh,
more expensive.
okay. So right now, do you want them to be in Urdu or Punjabi?
Let's go for Urdu. I think anyone that understands Punjabi understands Urdu, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Almost they can.
Let's try both if you can. If it doesn't take that much longer, do
I
Urdu.
just have to do a voiceover on them.
Yeah,
That will
exactly.
be it.
Exactly. So just figure it out. And then we figure out, because then we see what the market comes back with. You know, we're doing testing, market testing with the users.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So and then
Okay.
Sajjad, I think eventually you can make a course on how to be a CTO, right?
Okay,
Chief
sir.
Technology Officer, and then you can charge minimum for Urdu speaking. It'll be like $10 a month, and then for English speaking, it'll be like $50 a month, something like this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
In the beginning, we will keep the price low. Like for instance, my course, it will be $100 a month for the first 10 students, then 200 for the next 10, and then 300 for the next 10, then 400 for the next 10, then 500 anyone after, right? So it goes up so there is a reason for someone to sign up quickly. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And
Sir, we need.
sorry.
Okay, sir. Sir, we need a pavicon for the site and also a logo.
A logo. I will send you, Adnan. If I can send you this file, I'll show you. Adnan, if you can look at the logo that I have sent. Um, uh, Adnan, if you can make a
The group.
logo, I just need the words IWT on it. And if you look at the
Okay.
icon, if you look at the icon in the WhatsApp group that we're in,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
make that into a logo for this thing. Like make it just like that.
Okay, okay.
A
You
circle.
want the same thing, right?
Yeah, make it a circle with
Okay.
I and T in red and W
Okay.
in blue. Uh,
Okay.
and so you see what that logo does is it has the words IT in it, right? It's
Yeah, yeah.
Institute of Wealth and Technology. It has red and blue, which is
Yeah.
the British flag, and then it's inside a circle, right?
Okay.
So that will be our logo, like a dot.
Would you mind if I add a little bit of green?
Maybe where would you make the green?
That would.
Maybe the
That
green
would.
could be the globe. Globe could be
Yeah,
green.
that would. Actually, what I was saying to say, the green, the green part, that reflects growth and happiness.
Okay, could we make the globe the background green?
No, no. Just IWT will be in red and blue, and the last part, Institute of Wealth and Technology, the technology of part will be green. Simple.
No, I mean we don't have. You're not going to write the words Institute of Wealth and Technology. You're only going
I'm
to have
not.
IWT as the thing, like
Okay.
MIT, Massachusetts Institute.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like Where would you put the green?
Okay, okay. So
Maybe try it
I'll
with the
figure that out.
background with the color the globe in green, and try it with
Okay,
the globe in white as well. So just send
okay, okay,
both, uh,
okay,
and so it will be like a dot with IWT, I
okay,
and T in red and W in blue, and then the background is going to be either white or either green.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, one thing.
Yeah.
Uh, and other thing we need, like if we wanna send a confirmation email or like verification email to the user, then we will need a logo for that also. Also, we need the like you see that like the browser in the browser when you open a tab, there is a title of a site. There is a small favicon. If you
Okay.
see right now on the Zoom.
Adnan will make it. Adnan will make it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Adnan, can you make a icon as well?
For what?
It's for
For email.
the. Go ahead.
Email verification, like when we send a email, there is a logo of the institute or organization. And
You
the
want
other
the,
thing,
you want that as an icon?
sorry,
Do you want that as an icon?
yeah, no, for the icon, we need the like when you open a site, there is a small icon. Like Facebook, you can say there is
Do you
icon in the
do you mean
title.
a favicon? Do you need a favicon?
Favicon, yeah,
Favicon.
favicon,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, favicon.
Okay.
One is favicon, and the
I
other
will send all of the things that you wanted around Tuesday. Would that be okay?
one Tuesday.
Yeah, yeah. Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday before
if
midnight.
we need the email and the favicon as soon as early.
Maybe just do a very rough cut.
Actually, I have a meeting in Lahore tomorrow, so that's why I am traveling to Lahore.
Uh, Sajjad, just use
Okay,
anything, any other
okay,
company's logo or favicon, and wait till Tuesday. He'll send you a proper one, then replace it.
okay, okay. No issue, no
Yeah,
issue.
so just
Okay,
use anything. It doesn't matter. Use a different sites favicon, and then Tuesday night he will send you, and then you can replace it. And the other thing
okay,
is
sir.
for emails, we can probably. I don't know if you understand AWS, but AWS has this send SEIS. I think it's called. I forget what it is, but you can. They have a sending email. Service, right? Where use their because if we send an email from PHP from our website, it could get blocked. But if we use the Amazon email service, it will be more stable and more secure.
Yeah, yeah. But sir, there is also a testing server per email. We will use that for now.
Okay, okay, but long term, I think we can use Amazon's thing because there's
Yeah, yeah.
so
That will be we will use that later on. But for now, for testing purpose, we will use the there is a testing service and which is used with the testing per email. So for now, we will use that.
perfect, perfect. Okay, perfect. And are you stuck with anything else? Do you need a hand with anything else?
No, sir. No, so far not.
Okay, perfect. So then, I leave it to you. Just work with Saptain and this guy, Sayyid Amir, and then just push them a bit. And if you need more people, if you tell me that it will go faster, if we need one guy for DevOps or, to handle the Amazon side, then I can hire, right? So
Okay, sir. That once the app is completed and app is mature, then we will do that. The DevOps like side.
but our main target for October is 1,000 rupee. We need to sell something, one course to somebody, right? So we just need,
Okay.
like I know you've got your classes on, so I don't want to put the pressure. Focus on your IELTS. but then, I think it will be doable that we can get one customer for 1,000 rupee at least.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like, just 1 second. Lomir speaking. Hi there, Tommy. Just 1 second. Let me just close out a call. Okay. Sajjad, okay. So we will catch
Okay,
up
sir.
after. Tommy,
Okay, sir.
sorry, Tommy, let me call you back. I'm just on the call. 89, 89. Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah. So basically, we will do this. Okay, so I think like we over the long term we need to study what Amazon Web Services offers, because they have a lot of innovation and insights, and also
Yeah.
Google Cloud, right? So
Yeah.
we can do certifications in them once we start making money, and then we can really look at technology, like we can be at the leading edge, like they have artificial intelligence, they have machine learning, they have all these other good things that
Yeah. Yeah, sir.
we can learn. But the thing is, the problem with Amazon is you have to be very careful, because all of a sudden your bill can be very high if you forget to turn off or you don't do it properly.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
it can
And
really impact the
the
profit.
thing, Amazon is quite a high price nowadays,
Yeah.
and yeah, I think, and Google Cloud is less cheaper than Amazon.
Oh, really? And you don't say less cheaper, you say cheaper than Amazon, because
Okay,
you're
sir.
using less and cheaper. Cheaper, you don't need to, because you're repeating it. I'm just uh,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
do. I'm going to, over time, I'm going to be. Don't mind, if you don't mind. I'm going to be, not just you, but everyone on the team, when they speak something that it can be better said in English. I will correct it, just so your
Okay.
English gets to a fluent level, like native
Yeah,
speaker.
yeah. Once in previous week, I just gave an interview there. There was some freelancing job on TopTal. Do you know about TopTal?
A little bit. Tell me about TopTal.
TopTal is a organization or online organization that serve freelancing services all over the world.
Yeah, yeah. They only take the top talented people, right? They
Top
do.
talent.
Yeah.
So the problem is me is that a lady interviewed me, and she said that your English is not like native speaker.
Yet, okay. Don't. We will get it to the native speaker thing. Your English is good. You can comprehend 100%, but speaking, there's just some small things, like you say, less, fewer, right? Those little things, they can do it. And also, like, it will be good for you with our meetings and everything. It's going to be 100% in English, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
So
that will be
the more
helpful.
you speak, the more fluent you'll get in a very short amount of time. And
Yes, sir.
also, I found someone. She's going to do IELTS teaching on our academy, right? So she will do, and she's an IELTS instructor. And so we will also, I think we will make good money in Pakistan from selling IELTS training
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah,
online.
that's good.
So that will be good. But what I want to do is, one of my goals will be to help you get to a native speaker English level, right?
Yes,
Because
sir. Thank you, sir.
what long term, what I think we can do is we can work on you getting a work visa to the UK, and us selling work in the UK, right? So we can,
Okay.
what we can do is, a good someone like you in the UK, they can make at least 40,000 pounds a year, like let's say 3,000 uh, 3,000,
Somehow I think Pakistani
like six
90 lakh.
like 600,000 Pakistani a month. right?
Yeah.
So like but in London the life is a bit more expensive, but still you could make 600,000 a month. But then we need to do, but you stay with, if you can, you and I can work together. We
Okay.
once we Because look, first we have IWT.education, then we will create a website called rtech.com, right?
Okay.
rtech.com will be the umbrella company of IWT, where other people can hire us for our IT services. In the beginning, we're going to be cheap because we're going to do things from Peshawar, but then eventually, like guys like you, the good people that we develop in Peshawar, they will come to London and compete for bigger projects, right?
That's great idea, sir. That's amazing idea.
So that will be long term, because first we need to develop ourselves and be able
Yeah.
to, the English, the communication skills, how you dress, how you look, all that training is happening, right? So just don't think of your salary as your main focus right now. You are
Yeah,
actually,
yeah.
you're getting paid to learn. You're going to get paid to speak better English, paid to learn better technology, more leading edge technology, paid to develop like management and leadership skills. And then
Okay.
you're going to come, once you're developed and we are getting more and more projects, we will move you to the UK, where you can go speak at conferences. So you can become, like in the UK, you can become more of a salesperson, more of a relationship person. So
Okay, sir.
you will know that how the team and the back office will be in Peshawar.
Okay, sir.
So that,
That's uh,
yeah.
that's great idea, sir.
So that back end company is called rtech.com. That one will be our master company, right? What do you think about the name?
Uh, the name is good. Arctic.com.
It's
The name is
easy.
good.
It's short. It's got two A's in it, so it's good. And that will be our technology company. And then sometimes I think it comes with a problem. So that will be our RTech. But then IWT will be the institute where we train up everyone, right? And our
Okay,
goal,
sir.
I want to also raise money, £1 million for this institute. So we will have it uh, like I've shown you, right? Actually, let me just share my screen with you. Um, Share screen. Can you see my screen?
No, sir, not visible yet. Now I'm seeing.
Okay, so this is IWT.education.
Yeah.
So the main ways they can learn is online, mobile, classroom. So we will also do classroom sessions. And then there's the marketplace. That's where people like Adnan will and you will sell your courses.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, marketplace like Udemy, Udemy and Upwork. Then what we this thing, what I wanted to do was set up a GoFundMe where people can invest in the business, right? So we will put a target of £1 million,
Okay.
and then like people can donate, not donate. They can. It will have the word invest, yeah, and then
Okay.
it will have share, and then people can. It can come £30. They invested 20, £10, £50, and they get a percentage of the company.
Great, sir. That's great.
Right? So that way we will give 10% of the company for 1 million. And then and then the next we will give 10% of the company for 10 million.
Okay, that's great, sir.
So you need to put that together as well. Yeah.
That's okay, sir.
So, and everything
If,
should be,
if
sorry.
okay, sir, I will just share my screen with. So far, we done this.
Uh,
My work.
Let me stop sharing screen. Okay, go ahead.
Just share screen.
So everything you do should be built on APIs, right? So that we can reuse them.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. And this conversation, I will put it on YouTube. So people will get to know you, like they will see that you're a talented guy. So they will want to hire you. They can have a 15-minute conversation with you for, let's say, $20, So we will do
Okay.
these types of things as well, right? So like they can
Okay.
hire you for short period. They can hire you for long period.
Okay. You see my screen, sir? No.
No, not yet.
No, not yet. Share screen. Or disable. Attend this class. I can't. You from your side, it is just disabled.
Okay, let me just see. Try now.
Okay. Share.
Yeah, now I can.
Now you see, sir.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Yes. So just I this build this for now and different type of authentication. Like if I log out, it is admin for now.
Perfect. Admin is very important, so we can see this. Yeah,
Yeah,
perfect.
admin, else admin. And if I want to log in, sign up to register.
Sorry,
Uh,
just on that, on admin, I want to see number of instructors, number of students, revenue,
okay,
and payout.
okay,
Okay,
okay, sir. I have I just look on the site that I shown you yesterday.
yeah,
So we will get idea from all of these and combine in our LMS.
okay, perfect.
Okay, so this is about this is student like if he's instructor or LMS.
Yeah.
So this is if I just register a login Jamil, I
By the
think.
way, I have a question. We can
Okay.
we can call them instructor, teacher, mentor, coach. What word do you prefer? Instructor?
Mostly they use what instructor the internet Wikipedia. What I encounter with these things is like they use the word instructor or the tutor.
What about teacher?
That's good. Teacher, that is more near to the reality.
Okay, perfect. Then I think we should use teacher because it's more friendly. And
Yeah.
yeah, everyone knows
Yes,
what
sir.
a teacher is.
Yes, sir. No, I just created some route. Like if I go to instructor, I just log in as a user now.
Yeah,
So if I just go to the instructor home, it save me that you are not authorized to access this
says
resource.
to me. It says to me, not it says me. You are
What,
not.
sir?
It says to me, not it says me.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So you are not authorized to access this resource. So we just create the permission and rule the here.
Okay, perfect.
So I will now just created these things. The code and we just I will just this is Laravel. I blank page and I will show you that I just document. I think there is some this is things. So I think so I have this. We will convert that to this like this.
Yeah,
So it will be more dynamic.
perfect.
And it has amazing feature. Like if we say courses, this is the courses grid, and this kind of
I
different.
can't see. It's just showing me Laravel. Are you showing something?
Okay. I think the screen is lagging.
Yeah, yeah, it's lagging. Okay.
So now you see that page.
No, I can only see Laravel page. Maybe stop and then restart the screen share.
Okay, I will stop it and then I will restart. Now you see,
Yeah.
sir. So it will amend the different option. We will make all of these dynamic.
Okay.
And this is page number, and this will be filtration, and
Perfect.
then filter by price,
So,
and then we'll have duration, music, English. These will be different type of categories of the courses.
what about putting it in multi-language? Is having it in Urdu and Pashto, is it going to be a problem?
The site internationalization. What you mean?
Yes.
We will do that, but if we will have just if our app is if the our app is work on English will, then we will translate that when we will.
Okay,
We have
perfect.
that in mind.
Yeah, and keep it in mind, multi-currency and this thing, currency, and then like the user can choose they want to see everything in rupees or pounds or dollars, and then we will
Okay.
go where that user comes from.
Okay, that is full length. That is full length, different type.
And remember, they can ask for their money back 30 days, and it should be very easy that they get their money back 30 days.
Okay, sir. Yeah, yeah. We have just that in mind, and all of the things that I shown you some of the site demo site yesterday. That we will combine all of these ideas and make or may app unique.
Yes, perfect. Because if they can get their money back, then I think it'll be good as well. And just study Udemy a bit as well to get their ideas. And then let's have Sibtain and Sayed Amer build the site, right? With
Okay.
yourself.
Okay, sir. I will try, sir.
Okay.
So this is kind.
Yeah.
This is black, and these are the shop. If you wanna sell some books here also.
I can't see it's lagging again, I think.
Lagging again. Okay, just I will.
Because
Uh,
there's a way to connect with Amazon to sell the books. And you know this, uh, Amazon Associates.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So we can have them have the teacher can have their bookshelf of books that they recommend, and they can make money if someone buys the book through their link. This
Yes, sir. Yeah. So this will be the book area. If they wanna uh, sell some book, also here.
yes.
You see my screen, sir?
No, I only see the assets and the 401, 404 HTML about page, the HTML, the pages, the files, the HTML files.
Okay, I think it is a little bit lagging here.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want to say that in this platform, if we wanna sell some book,
Yeah.
we can also sell that.
Perfect. That's perfect. I mean, we will initially we will just yeah, that will be good because I have can you see me on the camera?
Yeah,
Uh, I have my book, so I want to sell it, and I'll be able to sell
yeah.
it on the platform. Perfect.
Okay.
But yeah, perfect. That's going to be good.
Okay, sir. So
Uh,
that's other thing. And then if you there is black category, gallery category, and these are not the stuff. But what we will do here is just main focus is on the video courses for now,
yeah. Okay.
and after that if we will first do the first point is that we have to set up the user registration perfect,
Yes.
and then we will move to the main site, things like doing the categories and courses and instructor, and they then instructor in the instructor module they will have to the permission
Yeah.
to add the courses, and the admin will have not. But for the admin, if instructor add a course, and the admin will have to approve that.
Yes.
That will be the logic behind that.
Yes.
If the admin approve it, then it will go to the student on the student area. And like the Udemy do that, that just provide one video, one first video, intro video,
Yeah.
and then if you want to watch some more videos about that, then you will have to log in and buy that course.
Yes. Perfect. What do you think if we use the currency of pounds, British pounds, rather than dollar? Do you think people in Pakistan will be confused? Do they understand pounds or no?
They are more they will not be confused, but they are more you say they are more friendly, or they are more aware of the dollar as compared to the pound, and they don't differentiate between the pound and the euro.
Okay. What we can do is if we see the IP address is coming from Pakistan, we can show them in rupees. And if they're coming from the UK, we show them in pounds.
Yeah, that will be good.
And then if it comes from the US, the rest of the world, we will show them in dollars.
Okay, that will be great, sir.
Yeah. So we will look at the IP address. That's possible, right?
Yeah, that's possible, sir.
Okay. Perfect.
Then
Perfect.
Laravel, you can also block IPs.
Okay. Okay. Why would we need to block IPs? Because
Black I Black IPs mean that if student do some misbehave here and there, unexpected